Hello, families. This is More to Learn Preschool Online with Black History Facts, Color Edition. Today, we learned about Jay-Z. Jay-Z is an African-American hip-hop artist and business mogul. In 2007, Jay-Z was the first person ever to have a color made by Pantone. Lori Pressman, the vice president of Pantone, described Jay-Z's blue color as a mesmerizing blue with pearlescent qualities. Some interesting facts about Jay-Z Blue are that in 2007, GMC announced that the newest color for its Yukon Denali SUV would be called Jay-Z Blue. Also, Jay-Z has 3 hip-hop items titled The Blueprint, and his oldest daughter is named Blue Ivy. What color would you make, families? What would you name the color? In class today, we chose red L. If you would like to find out more about Jay-Z and his blue Pantone color, you can find out more on these websites: Denver Post, Vision Newspaper, Creative Market, or Hip Hop DX. We hope to see you in class, families. You can enroll in our morning preschool from 10 to 10:30 a.m. or our Mommy and Me preschools in the evenings from 7 to 7:15 p.m. Remember, there's always more to learn.